Our tutors are really supportive here. They always want the best for us.
It's really helpful when it comes to not just college life, but also what you want to do after college.
My tutors have helped me to develop my work by going through everything with me and telling me what's good about it, what could be changed.
And so you learn so much from their different ways of being, because not only are they tutors, they're also practicing person-centred counsellors as well.
Very friendly, bubbly and positive.
She was really lovely, really helpful, always there to guide you with your work.
And they have all been so wonderful in my time here.
I just found them to be very supportive.
Craig's very chilled. He likes to take a more relaxed approach and but still push us to do our best. As he's our main tutor, he more cares about our welfare.
Very helpful when it comes to the coursework, learning and kind of guiding us through what we need to do.
My tutors are amazing. They are really good. They've all been really supportive. I've actually recently learned what my learning style is. I learnt that in my first year. I've got dyslexia and dyspraxia, so learning how to be an academic alongside them, I thought it was going to be really difficult. But actually, Wendy, the course leader, she has helped me through every single step. I've got support if I need extra time or development in any areas like that. So yeah, big up Wendy.
Our tutors are really, really supportive and really helpful. I found especially at the start the gap from GCSE to A-level was quite big, and so it was things like study skills, like how to go about learning all the material, remembering all the material, and they were really good with giving advice about all that sort of thing, which I think made a really big difference.
And she's probably one of the best things about the course.